Hello everyone and welcome back to City Skylines, to our Overcharged Egg Challenge. People, apparently we are back on track. Okay, we are back to 46,000 people at the moment. We have our green residential estate right here. So I have expanded it a little further. So nice buildings around here, with solar panels on the top, working as rooftops, basically, for the, or not rooftops, but covers for the gardens here on the top. Perfect. Okay. Also, and we have also built our university here on this site. Okay. Now, people, I have built a railway track here on this end. Okay, now we need to actually get some transportation in the city. We only have a few trams and a few buses, which at the moment with 46,000 people is not enough. Okay, so today let's build our or part of our transport system. Okay, so we can have public transport across the city. So first of all, we have set up here this metro monorail train hub. So it has all of the of these transportation types. Okay, now I want to actually run a train line that comes from here, then goes here into our university, goes to this area right here. Okay, and then we'll end here at the at this industrial area. It will most likely get more people there, so we can fill in some of those jobs. Okay, so let's actually start doing that. First of all, I've already set up this train line around here along the waterfront. Okay, now first of all, let's build a train station here by the university. I'm going to use one of these train stations from one of the content creator packs. Okay, is this elevated? Ground bypass, not what I want. Metro station, elevated bypass train station. Okay, so people, this I'm going to place right here on the on our university, so it will bring some people here as well. Okay, now here I'm not entirely sure if I'll use this okay, this one is too big. Yes, so we will go for that one, this one. Okay, and this one is too big as well. Okay, let's go for the same one. Okay, let's place it right here. Okay, and then on our industrial area we will need to build also a train station right here, and I would like to place it here on this end, but here we are going to use a different one. Let's actually use this one. Let's place it there, because then it will allow us to build our our train tracks here through the back of this building. Almost. Okay, let's let's anarchy it in. I don't think that will make much of a difference there. Okay, let me see. No, perfect. Okay, so let's bring this train line through here. Now I need to check the alignment on this, because we may actually not be able to do it directly, or may not be an exact straight line. Okay, but let's bring water into our station. Okay, and then let's continue to build. Let me see where this goes. I want to actually have it going around here along the highway. Okay, let's bring it let's bring it here. Okay, and now I'm going to use our one of our mods, the network multi-tool, okay, which will allow us to create automatically a connection into this area. Actually, I'm not going to do it with this one, I'm going to do it with this one. Okay, so it allows us to connect these two lines. We can build it slightly differently. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, and now I want to connect these two lines over here. I want to run it along this road as well, so let's start by building it. Yeah, here will be fine. Okay, let's bring it out here. Now let's bring this one out as well. Okay, and now let me see what are we actually working with here. 12 by 9. Okay, so okay, so this would be a 9 and here 12. Okay, so let's build another 3 here, and then let's make a perfect 9 by 9 curve. There we go. Okay, now here on this end I would like to do something similar. Okay, so let's bring this out, let's extend this road here as well, and now I want to actually have it curved over the road. Okay, so we have 7 by 7, perfect. Okay, let's connect it here, and then we will need to connect this station to this line. Okay, let me just check something here. Okay, this would be 13, so let's have it here with 21. Can I do a 21 here? Okay, not exactly. Okay, but it should be fine. Okay, so let's everything connected. Okay, everything connected here, everything connected here, none connected here. Okay, so let's move this just a little bit back. Okay, let's curve this a little bit. Okay, so it is connected now, perfect. Okay, and now we can set up our first train line, which will go from here. Okay, let's bring it here to the from the inside lane. Then it will stop here by the university. We'll go to this area right here. Then it will go to the industry area, and then let's bring it back. So it will be basically going back and forth on this line. Okay, so not entirely sure if this will cause us some issues. I don't think so, but we'll see. Now all of these stations will allow intercity trains. Actually, these ones in here, they will not allow them. Okay, so any intercity trains will need to go into one of the other stations, and then they will be able to take our own train line to move across. Okay, people, so our train line, okay, so not what I wanted. Okay, now just check here. Okay, so line details. How many trains do you have? 3. I don't want 3. I just want 2. Should be more than enough. Okay. And we can actually choose some different vehicles here. I'm not entirely sure. This one has 240 passengers. What about this one? Okay, 240 as well. Bullet train. 200. The commuter train. 400. And the high-speed train. 300. Yeah, let's leave it with the normal passenger train for the moment. Okay, so then it will start taking people from here into the other areas. This will be nice to have a station here, because then they will yeah, I know, intercity traffic, yeah, okay, because here we will be able to bring students into the university, and also to our industry area right here. Okay, so the station is actually has a nice parking lot at the front. That's not why I chose this one here. Okay, it was because of the train line would actually be further away from the road, and then allow us to build here on the back. Okay, now even though regarding transport systems, we have a few bus lines, we have a tram line over there. This, if most likely you have noticed, I have built 2 large parking lots here for the industry area, which are quite busy. Actually, this one is almost completely full. This one as well. Okay, so people, this will allow us actually to bring people from around the city into our industry area without the need of them driving here. Okay, nonetheless, we also have the option to build metros. Okay, now usually I set up my metro lines with loops. Okay, it's the easiest way to do it, and I think is also the most effective. Okay, so here we can actually place a metro station. Okay, then let's see, what have we got around here? Okay, we can place one right here. Let's place another one. And there are some parking lots here, that's great. Okay, so let's place another one here. Okay, then let's bring it over. Let me see. Here? I'm not sure. Here I can't do it. Space already occupied. Let's bring it further away. Then let's have another stop right here. Okay. Then I want to place another one here on the industry area. So let's place it here across the parking garage that we have there. Okay, and now I want to bring it out here. I want to place it now here. On this side we have the bus lines, which will allow for people to actually get onto the metro without much issue. So I'm going to place these metro stations right here. Okay, so that one can connect over here and then go that way. Okay, well, so let's build our lines. Let's connect them. Okay, so let's bring this one out here. Then we can curve this around. If I can actually find it. Okay, far along this is 21. Okay, 8. So let's draw this one by 13. Let's curve it around. 8 by 8, perfect. And now this one here will be a little bit trickier. Okay, but no worries. We will be able to do it nonetheless. Okay, we have a tunnel right here, so okay, let's make a change here. Okay, okay, let's make a change here. This will no longer be a tunnel through here. Let's make a small change here. Okay, so this is a 2x1 road. Okay, perfect. So let's we will need to delete this one as well. Okay. And now I'm going to actually bring this road up. Okay, people. So instead of having a tunnel here, we will have a bridge. Okay, let's bring it up here. Then we need to bring it further in. Okay, connect it there. To still connect to this road, and then let's bring this one out under the other one. Okay, how far is this? 15. Okay, so let's use 5. Then we have 10 by 10, and let's bring it down. Okay, and connected. So all of these connections will still be made, but okay, I need to adjust this height here. Okay, so let's use this tool once again. Let's smooth this elevation. Perfect. This one, unfortunately, we won't be able to do it, so it will be quite steep, but no worries. And now let's continue to build our metro. Okay, people. So once again, we will need to get these connections sorted. Okay, right here, I'm going to use this this tool. Won't make much of a difference. Let's connect it from there to there. Okay, perfect. Then this should be straight. Exactly. Okay, and now from here, let's bring this out here, bend it over here, and then we will be able then to connect it. We will be able to connect it to that station here. Okay. Okay, perfect, or almost perfect. Then let's keep connecting all of this. Okay, so let's see. We have here How long is this? 14? Yeah, 14. Damn it. That's not what I want to do. Let's remove this. Okay. Curve tool. Okay. 14 by 14. And connect it there. This one should be straight. There we go. Then we will need to bring this one out. Curve tool again. 6 by how much? 6. Perfect. 6 by 8. Yeah, that's fine. No worries. Then let's connect this one with this one. Okay, people, and now we can set up our metro lines, which will also provide some transportation to this area, and also along with the bus lines that we have here already. It should make quite a good usage of this of these lines. Okay, so, and also of course bring people into our industry area as well, because at the moment everyone, almost everyone, needed to drive over there. Now it won't be actually needed, and we have a clockwise and a counterclockwise loop to this area, which will allow them to travel to both industry areas that we have at the moment, this one and this one. Okay, and so they will be able to use the public transport even further than what was happening before. Okay, so these are the trams, metro. This is our train. Just check. Yeah, that's fine. Not there aren't many passengers waiting anywhere. Okay, so our metro. I don't think we need this many vehicles for the moment. I think 2 would be more than enough. Okay, here let's set this one to 2 as well. Okay, and they will be able to travel back and forth. Also, this proximity here will allow us then to have our passengers from both the train station and the metro station to change transportation system if they would like to. Okay, and they will be able then to go onto the train, to go into the train if they want to go anywhere else. Okay, as you can see, well, there are people here. These guys actually left the metro station and are actually going into the train station. Okay, so they will use both services to travel between the different parts of the city. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure. I have no idea if those guys were actually going into the, for example, to the university or not. I have no idea. Okay, but they were actually switching from one to the side. Actually, let me see. So let's see. This guy left the leaving the city. Okay, this one is a tourist. Then university student at university, study hall, I believe. So he's actually going to the to take the train. Let's follow him. Actually, okay, this is not following him. I lost him. Okay, this is him. Okay, let me come away from this view, and let's follow this guy, see where he is actually heading. This guy, I'm not sure if it's a guy, Piper Jones. I think it may be a lady, I think. Most likely. Okay, so there she is, waiting for the train, I think. Okay. And there she goes. Off she goes. Taking the lovely train ride to... Okay, so there is another station here. Loads of people there. Perfect. Okay, people, one of the major problems that you can get when you play this game is actually related with traffic. Okay, so if you can set up a transit system that will allow people to move around without using their cars. Okay, so train, metro, buses. Okay, and there she goes. She left here, and she is actually going to the university, I think. Okay, there she goes. Yeah, okay. Also, as you can see, they will do this quite often if they actually have to. Okay, so there's no problem about it, and they will use the train. They will use the metro to move around. Okay, now this part of the city here is actually already done. Okay, our park has caught fire. What is this? Park chessboard. Okay, so okay, so what helicopter is this? I'm confused. Oh, disaster response helicopter. Oh, I see. Okay, so nice. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's place another one. So this would be a chessboard. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. So let's place it right here. Okay, folks, so we have set up our... Great, my parks are, all of them are burning down. Jesus Christ, what's going on? Seriously? Oh dear. Well, either way, folks, this would be... what we would need to actually set up in the city. Now, regarding this area here, we have the trams serving this area already. Okay, so, and they are being used quite a lot. Okay, so let me just check here if this line would need any more vehicles. Okay, so there are 4, but there are a few stops. Look at this. Loads of people here waiting. Okay, people, I'm going to add another tram to this one. Do we have different trams? Where is it? Okay, here it is. Okay. So let's increase this to 5. Then this one right here. I think we can increase this one to 5 as well. And this one is actually doing fine with 3. Maybe it didn't even need that much, but that many, but no worries. And our bus lines, how are they doing? Okay, so which line is this? Okay, so this is one that comes this way to this industry area. Okay, so where is this? Right here. Okay, so I could actually take the metro, but okay, so this one is quite busy. I'm going to increase here this to 6. Okay, this one right here. Okay, this one is fine. Actually, there are too many on here. Let's bring it down to 4. Okay, so not that many people waiting. We can reduce this to 3, I think. Okay. Five, too many. Let's leave it with 4. Okay, this one right here, 4. It's fine. Okay, and let's leave the rest of them as they are for the moment. So this will allow us. We already have 290 people using the metro. Let me see. Yeah, this is fine with 2 vehicles, not that many passengers there, not waiting that much anywhere, so that's fine. Okay, so this should also help with our traffic, so it will help to move people around, get them around the different locations in the city, and not using that many cars. At the moment, we have 78% traffic. We are playing with the despawning switched off, which is quite good. 78%. So this basically, there are some hot spots, but there will always be some hot spots with traffic in the city. No, there's no question about it. Nonetheless, our industry area, which usually is what causes most issues, is not backing up. There is a huge lack of people over there. We will need to expand the city further. Okay, people, so this is something I wanted to do today, to basically set up our transport system here. I think I'm going to build a parking lot, just ones we had on the other side, next to our train station. Okay, so how am I going to do this? I'm going to need to have their space for them to move around. Okay, so let's build this road right here. Okay, this is basically what will give us or will allow us to set up a parking lot with those roads. Okay, I'm not sure if this train line will go anywhere into this side. Okay, let's build this. I was trying to check how I was going to connect this. Let's extend it a little bit further. Then let's use this road right here to connect it. Let's connect it here. That will be fine for now. And now, right here, I want to set up a couple of paths. Okay. And I want the zoo path with decorations, and I will be able to bring it up here by 9 meters, so to speak. Okay, bring it over, then bring it across here, then bring it down, and I would really like it to connect to this road right here. Okay. Let's do it differently. Okay, so let's pick all of this, use the move it mod, and let's move this road up a little bit. Okay, so it is connected now. It's tighter to the that build, and now here we can place our parking lot. Okay, so let's go into our parking spaces. Now right here I want a couple of these. Just get them in. Actually, I want these ones right here, so let's place a couple of these. Maybe. Yeah, that should be fine. Then I want a couple of these right here. Let's go back into this one. Okay, why is it not doing it there? I'm confused. Okay, let's place them along here. Okay, then we will be able to come across to the other side. Okay. Okay, and let's change to a smaller one. Here, does it fit one of these? No, it doesn't. Too big. Okay, but I can fit these ones. Okay, perfect. Okay, so no worries. Let's leave it that way. That actually, no, we won't. Oh, damn it. Huh. Okay, I know I can select it. Or can I? Jesus Christ. What have I done? Oh, come on. Okay. There we go. And I think there's another one right around here. Oh, jeez. Hello? Because all of these are actually overlapping, so... Hello? Oh, come on. Seriously? Jesus. Precision working, people. Precision working. Come on. I really can't believe this. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Aha. Okay, so let's leave that space open there in the middle so they won't be overlapping. Okay, so we have a nice parking lot over here to for them to be able to get to the train station. That's fine. Okay, and they will be able also to go across the road if they need to. Okay, so that should be fine. And we can see already a lot of people using this this path right here. Okay, people, so for today we are going to leave this episode here. The city is actually growing. We are now very close to 49,000 citizens. Okay, and well, then today we haven't made an actual modular build, but we needed to set up our traffic, our transit system, or at least part of it. Okay, and at the moment we have already 2,000 people using the public transport per week. Okay, which is very good, and it will help with the traffic flow in our city, which at the moment is at 74%. Not quite sure why it went down, but could be related here with this area. Most likely it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, of course it has. I haven't used the same road. Duh. Okay, this was the road I was using previously, which is a wider road. Now, we can actually elevate this piece right here, and then we can use our slope tool to get this more even. Okay, people, that's fine. So now with 2 lanes, the traffic here can flow much better. Okay, so 75 already starting to increase. So this area will be quite busy because it is a connection to the industry area. So it will be busy nonetheless. So other than that, I don't think it's working that bad. We need to maybe get a couple car parking lots here. So I actually have downloaded some parking lot assets from the workshop. Let's place a couple of them here. Okay, can I place another one? No, won't fit. Okay. People, nonetheless, so the traffic is already increasing again, so this road actually need to be this 2x2 road. And apart from that, okay, we need some more workers. We need to expand the city, get more population in. Other than that, the city is working. It's working fine, to be honest. So we will be able to continue the expansion in the next episodes. Okay, people. But for the moment, let's leave it as it is. Okay, and I hope to see you all in the next episode. Thank you.